Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set up a screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and in the menu scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called security, right here, and tap on it. And in the security menu, you should see the lock type option. Now, tap on it, and here you should see a couple of options: pattern, pin, or none. If you select the pattern, you'll be able to set the pattern that you will use to unlock your watch, basically. The pin option, you will use the pin, and the none option, if you select this one, the screen lock will be disabled, basically. Select the type you like. For example, I'm gonna select pattern, but you could use pin if you like pin more. I'm gonna select pattern, and now I need to draw the pattern I want to use to unlock my watch. So I'm gonna draw the pattern like this, then draw it again like this. And once you're done, you should see the lock type should change to the type you selected, and also you should see this option called hide information, and here you can tap on it and change it if you want to hide the information like watch face, not watch face, like notifications and stuff like that when your watch is locked. Then you can enable or disable this option. Okay, so now the screen lock should be enabled. So I'm gonna place the palm on my watch to lock the screen, and now try to unlock it. No, it didn't lock itself for some reason. Let's try again. Turn off the screen, and this time it locked. Okay, so basically, if the screen lock is enabled, you will see this lock icon at the top of the screen, and you will need to draw the pattern on or enter the pin depending on which option you chose, basically, to unlock the screen. So I'm gonna draw my pattern like this to unlock it. Okay, and to disable the screen lock protection, simply open the settings again, go back to the security, tap on the lock type, draw the current pin, or rather draw the current pattern or enter the current pin to confirm and enter the lock type. Here select the none, and then the screen lock will be disabled, and then you can press the home button to go back to home screen. Okay, and that's how you enable the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.